It's all about Jamaica's worst gamer. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo, wagwan. Hear me I say, become a member of the channel, which is going really fast. The channel is going so quick. Become a member, get some exclusive reactions and just some exclusive chat with your boy. You know, by hitting the join button next to the subscribe button. You understand? Yes, become a member of the channel. You know what I mean? Yes. Binds. I'm not gonna bind later. Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's Gamer here with another reaction. Today, guys, we're here with Skipper. Yeah, man. Skipper on Labas. What a collab. What a collab with and Jiggedy. Yes, Jiggedy with Church. Yes. Skipper, Chronicler, Jiggedy, Church. This one is on Skipper's project. I'm dropping here. So we're going to jump in one and see what the music video I take because we don't react today. Song itself already. So let's go. Let's jump in one and hear what the G say. Let's go. Alright, let's go. Let's go.
We are anything we chose to be. Nobody can tell me no foolishness. You chose for red, I may chose for rich.
Yo, hold on.
Believe in yourself, man. Only you can stop you. Believe in testimony.
You hear that? Believe in yourself. Only you can stop you. Powerful words coming from Skipper right there. Let's go.
Yeah.
Time longer than rope. You get more fight when you start war.
You hear that? Time longer than rope, you get more fight when you start go up. So I'm tell you, say, yo, you see when you and them on the same level in a fit them mind, you and them good. Or you see once you start elevate in a fit them mind, them get vexed and want to get behind.
Sure. Always people were close. Smile for the downfall, but never yet pre-post when man sell out a show.
Yes. If you do something bad, everybody start posting. Something negative, everybody start posting. But something good? No. One more! Jiggedy!
Got time I'm gonna rope. And I always people, you know, all our boss, just the music alone, mama cope.
You hear that? The boss say, yo, time longer than rope. Yeah? All these people where you know, dog. Your circle never support you. Your circle where you're in never support you. Rightfully. People up on the outside. It happened to the best of it. Yeah?
Yeah. And every man have them out, but me feel like on my life you a sing about.
So the man I tell you, say, yo, every time Labas sing, him sang them, feel like, say, yo, a Skipper, Labas sing about. Because him can relate. That's the way I say. Him can relate to what Labas say. Because Labas a G. Salute, bye.
Keep my mind on the paper, cause my mother want here, cause all the fuck me for wait for. Yeah, me coulda got me no waiter, fan a skull on a paper, dollar load up in data.
Big up every waiter. But him tell us say, yo, him couldn't be one. Him couldn't be one because his mother want here, cause his mother I'm motivation. So him want take mommy out of poverty and put her in a something nice. You see me? Cause that's a fee mindset that I tell you that straight.
Cause when I come from there, used to search for real people we work. Me know say prayer real, although you not see me in a church.
When I come from dirt, we used to rob people where we used to pray for rob people where work. Not rich people, people where we pass on the road every day we are work. But guess what? God answer in prayer. I know say prayer real. I ain't not see him in a church. That's what the G tell you. Hey, Labas in the man.
Talk to God like me charge them. With my gun right under my shirt. No say prayer real. Not true, you never see me in a.
Even though I'm a talk to God like him charge them, him still talking him. Him still talking matic on the waist, brother. Have it if a pussy run up a Bainza. Oh, fuck up.
Me say Bible with the jigger. No picture them paint, but me say the bigger. Them say we are criminal. Them say this a killer could never be a singer.
Bumbleclad. Once I'm a press the Bible with the chigga. Same way. So yo. Labas is just Labas, bro. Like Labas, you are Labas, bro.
Now them girl up on them toes and never ballerina. Wanna be a badass with the fam from my part of the gang.
Just if it up probably $500,000. I'm hope will never change cause of remarks.
Let me just say this. Any artist in a dancehall when I rate Labas, brother, I fear Labas. Any artist we can relate to Labas journey, dog, I fear the G, bro. Yo. He's a monster. Labas is a beast, bro. And I'm not scared by the toll. Bars, let's go. Bye.
Cause if you feel it, not say you lose. Tears down, so you're weak, yeah. But then we tell you anything for kill a dream.
If you're feeling it means you're losing a dog. Just brush yourself off and try again, bro. Tears don't make you weak, bro. You don't tell us you're weak, dog. You see me? Sometimes you have to shed that tears and just go again. You see me? Yeah. Yeah.
Them doubt the J, but how we do it. Nice scheme, let her Benz and be my kid. No make them tell you nothing, figure kill a dream.
No make them discourage you. No make them tell you nothing, figure kill your dreams, bro. Believe. Believe in yourself, dog. Work towards it, bro. Don't sit down and be a procrastinator. Big word. Bumbleclad. Binds. Big word. What you say? Procrastinate. That's me.
My days and itches ever want me. Some used to class me. Fear figure party. Now me push it fat X4 and party.
Remember the day when a girl never used to want me? No girl never used to want me. Now guess what? We are pushy fat bees past them. Yeah. We walking past them like floor in a room. Yeah. Life change, man. What? Let's go.
Nobody can judge me. I do choice in a hate or love me. Hunt me gun, never born in a luxury.
You hear that? A two choice. Hate or love me. But rate or love me. No, hate or love me. Yeah, hate or love me. Two choices you have. Which one? Remember, say I hunt him month for fee money, never born in a luxury. Never born uptown. Never born with a gold spoon in a mouth. But if you go hunt for that, in the streets. Yeah, Labas.
Youths can change, don't tell me no fuckery, me come from robbery. Yo.
Youths can change, don't tell me no fuckery. Me forward from robbery. Remember, say me don't tell you from in the start of the song, say listen, I was praying to go rob people where work. That's what me a forward from, bro. My journey real. And a cap. Take out my cap. No, leave him cap on. Even though me not cap. Let's go.
And if you feel it, not say you low. Tears don't say you weak, yeah. But then we tell you anything for kill a dream.
Yo, big up Jiggedy. Jiggedy, big up yourself, man, G. Jiggedy, well on.
I'm down the J, but how we do it. In nice scheme, let her Benz and be my kid. No make them tell you nothing, figure kill a dream.
Some fat BCG them a push down, you know. Big up all the youth them a put in the work, man.
We figure party. And now me push it fat X4X.
Zoo! Life change up fast. What do you mean? One Jiggy!
Follow my lap. Follow my lap.
Yo, Jiggedy. Yeah, I notice what Jiggedy, big up myself, Jiggedy. Jiggedy is like the connection between all of the young artists them. That are the feeling what we get from Jiggedy. Like, him are the feeling, him are the link between all of the artists them, brother. The new school artists them, and Jiggedy are the man. So you have to link Jiggy and I say, yo, Jiggedy, link up with such man and rare blah. Jiggedy have everybody number, bro. That's yo, G will link you know, where I say. You see me? Him remind me of a young DJ Khaled, bro. Him remind me of a young DJ Khaled. See, you know, him drop album now. As a producer. Bro, big up yourself, dog. You do it, bro. You do it. So, hats off to you, my fam. You see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, pave the way and make young producer know say, yo, them can do it, too. Big up yourself, Jiggedy. All right. Jiggedy props that. Skipper! Big up yourself by your project or your drop, my dear. Guys, I'm gonna leave it floating over my head. Do a live on it. You see me? 4 granny. Yes, EP. Law boss. What can I say? Law boss is law. Law boss is therapy. Law boss is that guy, the lyrical genius. Yes. Yes. Hey, what can I say? But yeah, leave in the comment section and tell me one thing about the one still. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. For real, for real. For real, for real. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst gamer. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rock on earth.